अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तमाम तलबा खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको कामयाब करे, अल्लाह ताला सबके लिए आसानियाँ पैदा फरमाए। जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, एग्ज़ाम्स दे रहे हैं, अल्लाह ताला सबको कामयाब करे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। पहले अगर कोई 15-20 सेकंड में या 30 सेकंड आपके ले लेता हूँ सिर्फ दुआ करने के लिए, तो ये गलत नहीं होगा। बाकी ये है कि कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं जल्द अज़ जल्द आपको छोटी से छोटी वीडियो में आपका टॉपिक कवर कर सकूँ। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है डेमोक्रेसी इन पाकिस्तान, जो ये हमारा टॉपिक है। आउटलाइन ऐसे कि मीनिंग्स एंड डेफिनेशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, द ऑपोजिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, द फेमस डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इलिटरेसी अ बिग बैरियर ऑन द वे ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड ऑफ द फ्यूडल एंड द एरिस्टोक्रेटिक, द वेज टू फ्लोरिश डेमोक्रेसी इन पाकिस्तान। Abraham Lincoln once said, democracy means government of the people, for the people and by the people. Democracy means government of the people, for the people and by the people. As per this definition, democracy is a system of the government that is formed by the people, run by the people, and it works for the benefit of the people. The opposite of democracy is dictatorship. It is one man show. The whole system of the country is governed by one man. A country becomes weak when it is run under dictatorship. In a democratic system, the landlord, the aristocracy, has to work for the welfare of the common man. In this system, the commoners, the public, elect their own representatives. These representatives form a government which works for the welfare of their respective people as well as for the welfare of the whole of the country. If we have a glance over the world, we come to know that this system is highly successful in many countries of the world. In America and India, democracy is going very well. Our neighbor country, India, is called the world's biggest democratic country. The true essence of democracy is the development and progress of the people. But unfortunately, in developing countries like Pakistan, this tool is being used against the will of the people. In these countries, democracy has bred and encouraged only hatred and hooliganism. Now we discuss the main causes of the failure of the democracy in Pakistan. Firstly, we know that literacy rate in Pakistan is very low. Most of the people are ignorant of the true meanings of democracy. They do not know well that what are their basic rights and how can they get basic rights. The politicians take advantages of this weakness of the people. They misuse the power of the vote. The result is that the right person does not reach to the corridors of the power. Landlords and the feudal are the great barriers in the way of democracy. These elements do not want to see common people making progress. At the time of elections, they, by using the power of the money, bribe the people and by their vote. In this way, the elected assembly is devoid of qualified representatives. When these feudal come into the power, they misuse the power and keep the common people out of the stream of progress. Martial laws are a big hindrance on the way to the democracy. The power-hungry mullahs also misguide the people. They interpret the democracy in a wrong way. People, not knowing the fact, follow them blindly, which results in no democracy or crippled democracy. Now the question is that how can us flourish democracy in Pakistan? Literacy can play a major role in the flourish of the democracy in Pakistan. With the spread of education, people will get awareness about their rights. They will automatically enroll themselves in the stream of development. They will not become puppets in the hands of feudal and that of aristocratic. ये हमारा जी ऐसे कंप्लीट हो चुका है, डेमोक्रेसी वाला भी। ये आपके सारे इंपॉर्टेंट एसेज हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, जो आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। मैंने अपनी एकेडमी में स्टूडेंट्स को यही तैयार करवाए हैं और इंशाल्लाह ताला इन्हीं में से आपका ऐसे आएगा। अल्लाह ताला सबका हामी नासिर, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह ताला हम टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाते हैं, वुमेन प्लेस इन आवर सोसाइटी इन इस्लाम, और ये बहुत दफ़ा रिपीट हो चुका है। अल्लाह ताला सबका हामी नासिर, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।